Alright guys, this is my breakfast. 2 pieces of toast, a sausage, an egg, and a cup of coffee. And I'm watching them. So, let's enjoy it this morning. See you guys in a minute. Thank you guys for watching. Good morning everybody. Just out here watering the garden. I'm just gonna uncover these so they can get a little sun because the squirrels been eating them, so I had to cover. That is coming back really good. That one look a mess. They just eating this. They just eating my collard greens and my cauliflower. Like, look at these two. All of them. Over there is my squash, my cucumbers, peppers over there, these bananas. Alright guys, so I got to clean this little corner up where the mud fell, but I cut my chairs off, swept the porch off. On the garden, it is doing well. I took an advice of somebody on Instagram, I think, Instagram or TikTok. They told me to remove my veggies that they were eating, and I did, and I put them in the back here. Let me show you. So I just planted them in here. Hopefully they'll do good, like these lettuce and my snap peas are doing. Everything over there is doing well. Hey everybody, welcome. It is Wednesday afternoon. I'm making a banana pudding, so why don't you guys watch. I'm using pecan shortbreads from Benton's from Ollie's. I got my pudding ready, my bananas. it's time to make these lettuce wedges. So I'm just gonna, hopefully they stay together. I'm hoping. So it can stick. Sorry about the noise. I just want to sprinkle all of my veggies. With some tomatoes. I don't know how people make theirs, but this is how I'm making mine. Some nice diced tomatoes. All right, people, the bacon is diced. Just sprinkling that on top. And I like a lot of bacon. A lot of bacon. All right, guys, this is it, guys. Look, it is so pretty. These are lettuce wedges. I sliced them, as you can see. And then I put a little salad dressing on for the toppings to stick. I got tomatoes, diced cucumbers, onions, peppers, and bacon. Then I put more ranch on top of that with a little aged balsamic vinaigrette, I'm sorry. And yeah, that is it. That is the salad. Now I'm going to put this in the fridge and keep it cool and get it cleaned up and make the meatballs. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I have some biscuits, and these are the layered biscuits. So I'm gonna split some of them and make more because I don't want them that thick, you know, like that. Perfect. I don't want it that big. There you go. That's big enough. Should have made it flatter, but this one is just the first one. Trial and error. Trial and error. Trial and error. And then I saw him pinch it. Okay, look at y'all. Look at y'all. Y'all see that? Do y'all see it? I did it. Guys. This is my butter and my garlic and my Italian seasonings. I'm just gonna butter these. Oh, when I tell y'all these gonna be good, they're gonna be really good. I'm gonna do all these, guys, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. Please.